This morning's meditation is a mindfulness meditation. So it encourages the meditator to be the silent observer of your sensory experiences. So thoughts, feelings, and body sensations without judgment and or effort to change anything. So we're going to be basically spending time just watching our thoughts, watching or listening to sounds and feeling sensations. So let's begin by finding a comfortable position, seated or laying. Just take whatever time you need to get as comfortable as you possibly can. And then let's begin by taking a long, slow, deep breath in. And letting the exhale be a gentle release. Do 2 more breaths like that. So a long, slow, deep breath in. And then letting the exhale release. And one final breath in. And letting that breath go. Just begin to notice your body settling. And feel your breath naturally slow and deepen. And begin by listening. So notice the furthest sound you can hear. And take your time. Allow your attention to lightly travel from sound to sound without naming or judging. And after a minute, shift focus to the closest sound. Perhaps your own breath, heartbeat, the subtle movement of air. Listen for the quiet hum beneath all the sounds, the stillness below the surface noise. Now let's bring attention to your body. So notice the weight of your body against the ground. Notice all the different points of contact. Feel where your body's tight or relaxed, warm or cool. And move your focus slowly through the body, so scanning from head to toe. And simply notice without changing anything. Imagine your thoughts as clouds moving across the sky, and just watch them drift in, linger, and pass. So don't chase or resist. Let thoughts appear and dissolve. Remember, you are the sky, vast, unshaken, eternal. So rest in this spacious awareness. Remember, you are the silent observer, the witness. Shift your attention now to your heart. Sense it as a gentle, tender, and safe. Let's just breathe into that heart space. And as you breathe in this moment, you can silently affirm, I am safe, I'm loved, and there's nothing I need to protect. As you breathe in and out through the heart space, let yourself feel fully held and supported. Just let your breath anchor you in this witnessing state. Each inhale bringing clarity, and each exhale bringing calm. And again, you can silently repeat, I am the witness. I see clearly. I rest in awareness. I am the witness. I see clearly. I rest in awareness. And just letting go of the breath, letting go the silent repetitions, and just take a deep breath in and feel the stillness. And then on your next breath, you can gently begin to return to the room, to the space that you're in, letting the sounds and the light enter back in, and slowly begin to open your eyes.